guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing luxury bags. We have LV, Gucci, and Chanel. We got two boxes here, so come join me. This is the first one. I do reselling, so I will be selling all these. If ever you're interested, you can follow my page. The first one is a Gucci belt. The Gucci belt comes with its dust bag. Nice condition. And then we have Ted Baker London. And this one is sling bag, nude and black color. It's a small one. Nice. Ted Baker one. Can be used as crossbody. Saffiano leather too. Ted Baker London. Right, next one. What is this? It's a Louis Vuitton. This is an Everfull. I think PM is the size. Nice handles. Some patina on the vachetta leather. But overall, it's so good. No cracks on canvas. I think this is just the right size for me. No? What do you think? This is the PM. A little bit of watermarks, but still nice. Let's put them right here. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment down below. If you want to see more of these videos of unboxing of luxury bags, please subscribe to my channel. This one is dust bags. Of the bracelet. You got a LV bracelet. I have the same one, but smaller. Angle. Wear it. Nice. Wear it for right now. Next one. Let's go to the box first. Ooh, pouches. But pouches. Two. I don't know for which bag though. But I think you can use this as. This one is the pochette. With a mini shoulder bag. I think you can use the handle for this one too. So I'd probably sell this together. Or not. Like that. handbag or clutch or pouch. Nice. Have this one. Oh, this is the twin pochette. Yep. So you can use this as a clutch, or I have the same one too, same size, or you can use it as shoulder bag. How I wish you can use this as belt bag too. Maybe change the handle, the sling. I use mine as crossbody because I'm pretty small, so I can use it as crossbody like this. Decent condition. Okay, let's go to the next one. Box, and I think that's it. What is it? Nothing. How come there's nothing in this? No. That's so weird. Maybe this came with this. Nothing in it. That's so weird. I think this is for this one. Let's go to this other one. Ooh, this one has the Chanel. Wallet, men's wallet. For your husbands. LV. We got, shall we open the Chanel now? I'm excited for this one. It's a tote bag. Quilted. Cambon. A bit of rubs on the corners. But it's nice. And the handbag. I think it pairs with my dress. You think so? Oh. Nice. Right here. Now let's put this. Fix it later. Next one, let's open this Gucci bag. Ooh, love the color. It's the Disco Soho bag. White and red color and black. Nice, no? With silver hardware. Crossbody or like this. Adjustable sling too. Pretty nice. Still has all the hair cards. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, next one. Have this. The Musette. LV Musette. Oh yeah. But it didn't have the handle. Adjustable handle. I don't know if you can use this as sling bag. Nice one. I think it's the smallest one, the PM. Made in Spain. Good, decent condition. Next one. We have this one is a wallet. It's a medium-sized wallet. Made in Spain. Comes with its box too. Next one, we have an Hermes scarf. Still has the tag. Le Rubans du Cheval. I don't know, I don't speak French. Hermes. It's nice. I'm not a fan of pink, but it's nice. I don't know, should I sell this or I can just frame it, put it here? I'll think about it. What do you think? Should I just frame it and put it here? I've been wanting one, either Hermes or LV. Comes with its box. Next one, we have an MCM coat with travel bag. Pretty big, with long shoulder strap. Weekend bag. I guess you can use it. Nice. And we have a big box here. I wonder what this is. It's a Speedy. Dami Eben. I had one, same size. I just sold it last month. The customer just got it. The exact same one. Same condition too. Pretty nice. I like the 30. I think the 25 is too small. This is 30. Yeah. The 30 is just right. Oh, that's it. Nice. So we got all these. I will be reselling all these, so if you're interested to any one of them, let me know. Please like and follow my page, my FB page. It's LA Boutique. It will be up here. And shoot me a PM. I will be doing a live selling too for all these, and I will have a lot more of unboxing like this with Coach, MK, Kate Spade bags, and higher luxury like LV, Gucci, Prada, Chanel. So please, if you're interested, subscribe to my channel, like and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.